I'm going to show you how to crochet the adorable bobble stitch. Working a bobble stitch is kind of like working 5 incomplete double crochet all into the same stitch. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that is like the start of a double crochet, right? But we're just going to stop right there. Do not complete that double crochet. We're going to do that 4 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We are going to do that 3 more times. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook, and we're going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we are going to do that 1 more time. You should have 5 loops on your hook right now. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you should have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and pull through all 6 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops. Okay, so your bobble isn't really a bobble yet. The next thing you need to do is into the next stitch, not the same stitch we've been working into, but the next stitch, work a single crochet, and that will make the bobble stitch pop out over on this other side. So work a single crochet into the next stitch, and now you have completed a bobble. You can turn your work around and see that bobble on the other side. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe. I release new tutorials like this every week. You can find a short form content on Instagram and TikTok, and all my patterns at modernmade.net and Modern Made Shop on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.